Hey guys, what is up? It's DiyHermit, and I don't know if you can tell, but the lighting in my filming area is really shoddy. So today we're going to fix that problem. Hey guys, so my solution to this lighting problem is to dangle some light fixtures from the ceiling using paracord and eye hooks. So that's what we're going to do today. I guess this will be my first DIY. I don't know how many of you it's relevant to, but it'll be kind of entertaining watching me dangle lights from the ceiling, I guess. So I apologize for my shaky hands. Most of this will be filmed on my amazing foam board camera mount right here, so you'll get a little more stabilization, but right now I'm just going to be showing you most of the tools and what we're going to be using. So first and foremost, hot glue sticks. You never know when you're going to need hot glue in a project. Yeah, I just picked them up. Haven't had them for a while actually. I had built this without hot glue and I kind of held it together using screws, which is really cringy. We have two of these light fixtures. You just screw any old light bulb into it. And then there is two mounting points for your wires on the back of them, as you can see right there. Not sure how focused that is. There you go. So we got two of those. Again, we have two eye hooks, so we can mount them like this on the ceiling, and we can dangle rope down from them and hold these up. We have a cutting tool, a little bit overkill for the project. We do have wire strippers, those are always useful to have. I got fresh X-Acto blades for the X-Acto knife, and have multiple other things like wires, and probably use a little bit of soldering in this, so I'm going to get this all set up, camera equipment and everything, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've got my camera angle set up for most of this project, and as you can see, I gave you a good view of the ceiling up there, and I guess let's just dive right into this project. First and foremost, I think I'm going to be setting up where I want to mount my light fixtures. So let me just drag in my chair here, and I guess we'll kind of visualize what would be good. I don't know, I think I kind of want to have one on each side. That'd be nice, a nice touch. They definitely have to be high enough so they don't go past this line right here, because this is my camera view line. This is kind of up here as decoration, but the bottom of this is actually where the camera cuts off. So they're going to have to be higher than this, so the camera won't see them, and preferably higher, so I won't get glare on the camera. But yeah, that's pretty much it for requirements for building this. So I'm just going to start by getting these eye hooks out of their packaging, which they're extremely well packaged, by the way. And I hope by the time this project is done, we'll have some better lighting in my videos, and we'll be able to do some more serious filming, I guess. I don't know what you would call it. So, take out these light fixtures. They were like $3 at Ace Hardware. Not the best quality-wise, yes. You can get like $10 light fixtures, but I'm not spending $20 on two light fixtures, so I spent $6 on two light fixtures. So I'm just going to kind of visualize where I want these. I hope you can see this. I think definitely right here would be a good option. Not sure. I think I'll start by mounting one right there. So I just want to get my Sharpie marker out, and I want to mark that location and not try to fall off my chair. That's a professional tip right there. Do not fall off your chair while you are doing this. Also, I'm sorry for the background noise. I do have quite a few fans running in here, It's extremely warm out today, hence why I'm wearing my warm clothes. So I guess we're just going to mount that right there. So I just made a mark right there, and we are going to mount the other one right there. That should be pretty good. Almost fell off my chair there, but that's okay. It's all part of the experience. So I'll be back when I go get my drywall anchors. Alright, I'm back. I got my power tool going here, and we're going to put these drywall anchors in. If you have drywall on your ceiling, I suggest you use drywall anchors because they're a lot, you can get a lot more mounting out of them. They won't pull out of the drywall like a regular screw or a nail would. Especially on drywall, you should never use a nail. It's going to fall out of the drywall and damage it. You need to use drywall anchors. So first I'm going to find a drill bit that fits this drywall anchor. And we need a hole that's going to be large enough so that we can screw this anchor in. I'd say this drill bit should be fine. And for the record, this is a 3/8 inch drill bit. So, in case any of you are wondering what size drill bit I'm using. So, if I'm doing this wrong, definitely notify me in the comment section because I am quite new to mounting on drywall. So we're going to go right here. Extremely dusty. Make sure to vacuum afterwards because it's messy. That should be deep enough for our hole. By the way, I am only going to show you doing one of these because it is extremely difficult to record two of them, and I'm just repeating the same process essentially. Next, you're going to want to take your drywall anchor, put it in, and use a screwdriver to screw it in very snugly. Make sure it's in there tight or you are going to have problems. Next, we're going to put our eye hook in. Now this eye hook is going to be what holds our light fixture up, and pro tip, to screw in an eye hook that you can't, it's more difficult to do with your fingers, stick a rod or a screwdriver through it and just twist it. It's extremely simple to do it this way, and you will end up saving quite a bit of time. So there is our first eye hook drywall anchor put into the wall. It's extremely sturdy and it'll hold us up for a while. So now I'm going to go ahead, do the other one, and I'll come back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, now we're going to be attaching our wires onto the light sockets. It's very important that you do this correctly as you're working with 110 volts AC if you're in America, and that can be quite dangerous. So first, you're going to want to prep quite a few things. We have our mains voltage cable right here, which has 2 stripped ends. And we have some more same gauge wire that's going to be a little bit of an extension for it. So first, what I want to be doing is I want to connect these up in parallel. Now this is going to be quite difficult as the light bulbs are going to be quite a ways from each other. They're going to be spaced out. So I have these wires right here to run in between them. Yes, so we may be a little bit short on wire distance, so I'm really hoping we can get this done. I'll be back in a second once I wire everything up. So I just want to notify you all that I'm not responsible for any injuries or damage that comes from making my projects. Thank you. And now with that out of the way, behold our two light bulbs. Now let me just turn this one on. Now this is our hanging fixtures. They will both go right there and we will get adequate lighting around here. I'm pretty excited, guys. Let's put it up. Alright guys, so I went ahead and strung up all the lights and they look quite nice. There's definitely some improvements to be made, but they're okay for filming right now. They're just above my camera cutoff line and should be great for equal light when I'm filming. I hope you liked watching this crash course of me learning how to build these.